Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5 minute chart, and today let me explain as we discussed yesterday. So today we applied session breakout trading strategy. So basically we focus on when price break the session, we just focus on volume. So after that we are looking for buy. So let me show you yesterday as we entered here. That was yesterday session like that. Okay, so finally price broke yesterday session, and once break this session, we are looking for buy only we are looking for buy. All right, this is the more power activated. So basically this entire trading strategy we explained in our premium course, that is option 2.0. So how exactly we trade by using session breakout. So finally today you can see price open a gap up, so broke this session. So let me show you the session. Okay, a little bit. Okay, so that was yesterday's session, and finally price opened a gap up. So we was looking for buy, but today we missed opportunity here. But price already reached the 1:3 ratio, but I missed that opportunity. So later where I exactly enter, let me explain. So when price break this session, so means we are looking for buy. So here we enter buy, but price not able to hit our target, and price was sideways. And again I add some position here, and again price sideways, and I close my position cost to cost, no profit, no loss, like that. Right? The price, it took too much time to reach my level, so I confirm that it's taking too much time, so I have to come out from the market. All right, so let me explain for tomorrow. All right, so okay, one thing another, we that was buyer territory, so we was looking for buy only. All right, when price in between this buyer territory, we are looking for buy after getting this opportunity. And let me explain for tomorrow. So let me show you tomorrow's session first. So here, this is session higher point, and let me show you session lower point. That is a very small session. If you not see, this is they form a pin bar. All right. So let's say if price break this session, so definitely we'll go for short. And here I can see, and this is buyer territory from here to there, and if price break this from here to this area, this is the buyer territory, we are looking for buy only. All right, so once they break this level, there will be two confirmation. One is session breakout, and another, you can see, this is the buyer territory, and buyer territory will complete it, and the seller territory will start. So that is why we will looking for short only below this level. Okay, so if price open gap down, so definitely we will wait for a pullback, then we'll confirm sell signal, so definitely we'll short below this session. Okay, so let's say price open in between this session, so still we are looking for buy because this is the buyer territory. All right, this is the entire buyer territory, so we are looking for buy. But if price break this session, so definitely we are looking for short. All right, so that will be a seller will dominate this market. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, how exactly we enter. If you want to know the option premium 2.0, so definitely you can WhatsApp me. Already given my WhatsApp number in the description.